Hey there everyone, in this video of Technoholic Plus, I am putting Microsoft Word 2003 against the latest and greatest Microsoft Word 365, or we can even call it Microsoft Word 2026. And the reason why I am saying is because Microsoft Office 365 keeps on getting latest and greatest features that Microsoft roll immediately. So let's see what are the major things that we have seen changes over the period of last 2 decades, and I'm going to compare them in 10 different areas. So make sure you stick around, and if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to Technoholic Plus as we keep on bringing more such productivity topics in this channel. Okay, so now let me actually place both these words side by side. So on the right hand side, I'm going to put Microsoft Word 2026. I am saying it 2026 because it is almost end of the year. And what clearly see here is the huge change in interface and layout. Alright, so let's come back to the topic, and I am going to put them side by side, and let's start with interface and layout first. So here I just open a blank doc in case of Microsoft Word 365 as well, so that we can evenly compare them. So here what you see is classic menu like file, edit, view, insert with a long list of toolbars. On the right hand side here you can see the Word 365 uses the latest ribbon style interface, where we can see there are different tabs, and inside the tabs we have commands or tools arranged based on their functionality. Plus here you can see lot many app preview. However, in case of Word 2003, you actually need to click on it to see the preview of what exists inside these menu options. So in terms of interface and layouting, I am pretty sure that everybody will agree to give this point to Microsoft Office to the latest version of Word. Now let's talk about formatting and design tool. So here when we see Microsoft Word 2003, it's gonna give you basic options of formatting your content. For example, if I write Technoholic Plus here, in both the cases, here I have got so much more option to further customize it. Microsoft Word in 2025 or 2020 gives so many more options like these predefined styling. Of course, you're going to see updated fonts, rich templates, built-in themes, smart art, and many more. However, when we talk about Word 2003, it only gonna give you basic font, simple color options, and manual styling. Now, when we talk about collaboration in Microsoft Word 2003, collaboration simply meant saving locally and sharing a doc file with your colleague. In Office 365, there is a difference of night and day. We already know. You can simply invite someone by sharing the doc, and you really can see the cursor of your co-author and typing in real time. Plus, you're gonna get a version history, comments, and suggestion, making the teamwork effortless. Then comes the cloud sync and mobility. Again, I would say there is no comparison at all in terms of cloud sync and mobility. Word 2003 saves your document only on your PC. However, Word 365 sync every change to OneDrive. If you choose OneDrive as a location or a preferred storage of location, autosave is always running. So even if your laptop crashes, your document still is safe on your cloud. And since we are talking about Word 365, you not only can access it in your PC, but also in mobile, tablet, and any other device that is connected to internet. Now let's talk about Copilot and AI. Again, I would say Microsoft Word 2003 has no assistant beyond spelling and grammar check. However, Microsoft Word 365 in 2025 or 2026 have got generative AI capability that can do so many things for you, which is far more beyond simply from just a spell check. Now let's talk about research and citation. Here I would say in case of Microsoft Word 2003, we need to enter or we required manual citation. However, in case of Microsoft 365, we have got here dedicated researcher, automatic citation, bibliography, and online lookup tools. You can build dynamic document without leaving the Word. Now let's talk about add-in and integration. In case of Microsoft Word 2003, in order to access add-in, we need to go to Tools, and here you can see Templates and add-in, where you're going to see Microsoft Word support add-in, but the support is quite limited. However, when we talk about Microsoft Word 365, it have a marketplace of integration like Grammarly, Adobe PDF, Notion Export, and Diagram tool, which you can extend Word far beyond writing. The next here is file format upgrade. So in case of 2003, Word used to use .doc as a default file system. Microsoft Word use more advanced or latest docx format, which is generally lighter, faster, and safer. And it also comes with compatibility mode that facilitate older version of Office such that anybody can access to such a great tool. The next in my list is security. When we talk about security, Microsoft Office 2003 has basic password protection. However, when we talk or compare it with the current word processor, it have access controls and also do cloud recovery from ransomware. Then the next and the last topic that I wanted to touch base on, which is performance and stability. So I would say Microsoft Word 2003 is fast on small files but struggle with large export. On contrary, Microsoft Word 365 handle photos, charts, and long documents much more smoothly thanks to cloud caching and smart rendering. So next time if somebody asks, oh, Word is same, what is difference between the current Microsoft Word and the classic Word? Maybe you can share them this video so that they understand what is the difference between both. So that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic Plus to see more such videos, and I will catch you soon with one such another topic. Till then, you take care and bye bye.